What is the science called that studies living organisms? Answer B. Biology. What is baby frog known as? Answer B. Tadpoles. To which animal class do bats belong? Answer is A. Mammals. What is the term of water in its solid state? Answer C. Ice. Which mammal has a beak? Answer A. Duck-billed platypus. What is the name of the first mammal cloned by scientists? Answer C. Dolly. Is a shark a fish or a mammal? Answer C. Fish.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel for more related content. See you all in the next video.